Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be unboxing the Vive Cosmos. So let's get it out of this plastic here. Alright, pretty nice. Open that up. So we got the normal stuff, just download and set up. And right here we have the headset. This is the Vive Cosmos. Let's get that out. So here it is. Throw those cables out of that. This re-edition of VR actually doesn't take any base stations. All of it is right here on the camera. Now, unlike the Quest, which can be quite heavy on the front, this shouldn't be that heavy. I haven't worn it yet, obviously, but this one shouldn't be as heavy because this one still actually needs to be hooked into a computer. And now we have the gloves here. Now these gloves, oh, these aren't gloves. These aren't knuckles. Here in my hand we have the Quest, and then we have the Cosmo in this hand. So you can obviously tell that the Cosmo is a lot bigger. It's kind of set up the same. Analog stick on the right, buttons on the side. You got your other button. You can see they're kind of a little different. Mostly the same. 2 buttons. Well, the Cosmo has 3 buttons, and then you got the Quest controller only has 2 buttons, so that is different. It's a change. I wonder how that's going to feel. But compared to the old Vive controllers, I mean, this doesn't really even feel like much of a controller, honestly. It just feels like you're holding a remote when you're holding this. So far we got the 2 controllers and we got the Cosmo itself. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. We got this. I think that's about it, though. Over here. You know, just some instructions here. You got some stickers, what it came with, stuff like that. I assume this is the link box, since you know, the Vive Cosmos is not wireless or anything like that. So we have, what's in this box? So yeah, right here's the link box. It looks just like the Vive Pro link box. So you get your power, your display, and then just USB. And on the other side, you got Vive's proprietary cord here that goes straight into the Cosmos. So it looks like it's the same cable that goes into the Pro. You got your USB, you get your display to display port here, mini DVI, and then we got some batteries. So that's nice. You just pull. Yeah, you just pull. Let's see, is it magnet? No. So on the Quest controllers, it's actually very fun to take the battery pack off, which might not be a good thing. Magnets do wear off, so this might be better. This you just pull off. This is the Quest, by the way, and then you just snap back on. It's kind of satisfying. Don't know how long it's gonna last. Like I said, magnets don't last forever. So let's go ahead and get these batteries. And that's something else too. This takes 2 batteries. The Quest only takes 1 battery. And you may be wondering why I'm comparing it to the Quest. And it's because this one reminds me a lot of the Quest. Because, you know, it's not fully wireless, but the headset, you know, it's 1 cord. It doesn't need base stations just like the Quest. So if you were to compare this to a current headset, I would say it's more like the Quest. So that's kind of why I'm comparing it. Let's get this. Not very good unboxing if you can't get the batteries open, is it? Everything's unboxed. There's not much to say about it. I mean, the headset definitely looks different than the HTC Vive Pro or just the original Vive. You got all these cameras on the front. This headpiece is different. I'm excited to actually put this on my head because it looks pretty sick. You know, you got this back here to loosen and tighten it. You got the strap up top. So awesome. Let's try this one out. And so that's it for Tech Tuesday today. So I know we didn't get to show off the Vive Cosmos, but no worries. We're going to show it off next week, and we're going to pair it against the Oculus Quest to see which one's the better VR headset. Maybe not just better, but just an easier experience. So that's it for Tech Tuesday today. I'm Adrian, and I'll holler at you later.